I just wanna let the hood up. Care less what they think when your mind say do it. Get up and get to it.
Hey y'all, I am Mrs. Ben Chaser. Let's get it and let's go. So, in today's video, we're going to be making homemade strawberry lemonade. All of the ingredients will be in the description box below. And the first thing you want to do is wash and clean your hands and your lemons. Remember, these lemons are dirty, y'all. Take your lemons, dry them off, cut them in half, and now let's start juicing. Also, you're going to want to clean off the top of your juicer to remove all of the seeds, so that way you can have a smoother process moving forward. So let's slice 1/2 of a cut lemon. Yeah, let's get that done real quick. So you want to take your lemon slices and you want to get all of your seeds out. And then you're going to want to cut them in half, and we're going to use those halves for our final product. Let's pour this water inside of our pot. And here, you're going to see me grab our spatula and strawberries. Now, these are washed and cut strawberries. I'm going to put them in our water, and we're going to get that a little stir. Now, let's grab a few tablespoons, maybe about 7 tablespoons of our brown sugar and regular sugar mixture, and let's give that a little stir. Let's turn that up so it can start to boil. As you can see, it's boiling now. So what you want to do here is you want to give that a stir, just so everything can be mixed well. And be careful because this is very, very hot. As you see, Mr. Ben Chasing Big Buzz was just checking the temperature of the strawberries. I don't know what temperature they were at, but he said they were up to temp, so let's get them strained. Now, be careful here. Do not do what I just did. Grab an oven mitt and push over. That's just crazy. Just push over the electrical stove. It's portable, by the way. I'm using the spatula so the strawberries and the liquid won't splash everywhere. Remember, guys, this is hot. Also, quick reminder. You want to clean as you go. Please clean as you go. Makes the task a lot easier. Let's get our strawberry mixture, and let's pour our mixture inside of our picture here. As you see, our girl always here to remind us that, yeah, it's hot, so be careful. Let's grab our lemon juice and pour that on in. That's gonna be so good. Look at all that pulp that just fell in there. I love me some pulp, y'all. Comment down below if y'all like pulp too. I like a lot of pulp. Now here you gonna see me pour in our sugar mixture. Now go ahead and pour all of it in. I don't know why I waited and didn't pour in all of the sugar, but that's nonsense. Yeah. You know, we all make mistakes. It happens. Remember, clean as you go. Get out a quick stir. Let's pour some more water in since it didn't fill it up all the way. Stir it up some more. I know, guys, I'm doing a whole lot of stirring. Now let's get at a taste. Let's see how this tastes. See how this mix tastes so far. I think it could use just a little bit more sugar. Like I said, pour it in beforehand. And it can use, a little bit more strawberry. Yeah. But as you can see, I left a little bit on the side for the strawberries to put it in at the end. Excuse me. Now, let's get our infusion ready. As you can see here to the right. And let's give a big shout out to Ben Chasing Big Buds. If it wasn't for him, this would not be possible. Thank you. Thank you, honey. See? So there is our tincture. And if you all want to see how I make the tincture, just follow along. And you'll see it in my upcoming videos soon. Now, that tincture that you just seen, you don't want to add that all in at one time. Now let's get this strawberry goodness and put them in our mason jars. I'm only doing the tablespoon time. Excuse me. Then you want to put in your half of lemon slices. Let's get our lids on and get these bad boys into the refrigerator so they can be chilled, you know. On these nice days that's coming up. It's gonna be so good. Now you can't tell me that don't look good. Look at that lemon. Look at all that pulp. And look at them strawberries at the bottom. Y'all, on a hot day, when it's nice and cool, so good. If you want a little sweeter, you can make it a little sweeter, but I like mine just like this. Nice and right.